Hello everyone, I am Chef Baburam. Welcome to my channel. And today I am making very famous and very delicious Asian dish, drums of Havin. This is very famous in the Asian cuisine, as well we can say Chinese cuisine. Today I will show you how to make this. If we are working in the hotel or restaurant, we have lot of equipment and lot of spices to make, but I'm making from home, and I'm just the beginning and I just started, so I don't have that much bowl, plate or many things, but day by day I will organize everything. So for drums of having, I need chicken wings, and I need fine chopped celery, garlic, ginger, onion, spring onion, capsicum and little bit dry chili. And when I will make drums of oven, I need to fry. For my batter, I have here a little bit corn flour, flour, ginger garlic paste, egg, chili paste. This is very spicy, and soy sauce and vinegar. Doing butchery, we need to follow color code. If you are working in the hotel or restaurant, we must have color code. Example, for poultry I need yellow chopping board, and for seafood I need blue, and for red meat I need red, and for ready to eat brown, and dairy and bread I need white chopping board, and fruits and vegetable green. As I said in the beginning, I just started, so later on I will organize everything. So I already cleaned my chopping board, so I will start to cut my drumstick as well chicken wings. So this is the technique. I will just break from here, and I will remove the bun, this bun. Then I will make my drumstick like this. As well, we can make chicken lollipop also same way. So I will do all the wings like this. Cut my chicken wings, so as I can say drumstick. Now I'll season. For season, I will add a little bit of chili paste, soy sauce, ginger garlic paste, and little bit of vinegar. I will not add salt on that, because I already add chili paste and soy sauce. Inside my chili paste there is salt, so I'll add just little bit of black pepper as well. And I will mix all the way. When this drumstick will be ready, I will keep it in the chiller to observe all the marination, at least minimum 15 to 20 minutes. If you will keep it little bit more, it will be more better. Before I fry my drums of oven, I need batter. So I will start with batter. I add here little bit of ice water. I will break the egg, then I will keep it here. Then add little bit of corn flour here. Flour, salt. We can add here little bit of baking powder also, but I will not add. If I will add baking powder, it will be nice and the shape will be little bit big. It is like look like tempura. I will mix all the mixture here. Whenever you fry something, your batter is most important. So you can see my batter is not thick, not thin. So I'll start to fry my drums of oven. This is the deep fry process. Normally we have many cooking way, as we can say pan fry, shallow fry, deep fry, basting, roasting, solo roasting. So this is the deep fry process. Meaning of deep fry: whatever you are frying your food, it has to dip in the oil. You can see my drums of oven. I will not put all together because I will not make too much, just little bit like one portion. So I will just make a 2 round. You can see my drums of oven. This is just a frying, but I will take it out in the plate. Then I will fry all the remaining drums of oven. Then again I will put it in the oil. I will make golden brown. So this is my half down drums of oven, because I want golden brown and I want full cook. So my oil is super hot. I will keep it all the drumstick here one by one. Then I will make golden. This oil is good enough for this quantity, because this wing size is very small. My drums of oven is golden brown. I will take it out from the oil one by one. If I will keep it fry in the deep fryer, I need a spider, a strainer, but I have very less quantity, so my small tongue is enough. Now, this is the time to toast my drums of oven. I'll start with oil. I will not use another oil, because this I don't want to waste oil. Oil is super hot. I'll start with dry chili. I want to give some flavor. And chop ginger, garlic and celery. My ginger, garlic, chili already golden brown. Now I will put here shredded onion and capsicum. Now I will add 2 spoons of chili paste, because this is spicy chili. And vinegar. And soy sauce. Normally in the Asian cuisine they are using MSG. So my food without MSG. And in the restaurant or hotel, inside the chili paste, adding lot of color, and because of the color, chili paste too much red. So my chili paste without color, so my food will be little bit dark. Just a little bit pepper. And I'll add some water here. I will add little bit of corn flour. When we put corn flour, we need to mix immediately. Otherwise, food will be like a jelly. So we don't need to put too much also. Otherwise, food will be like a jelly. So I will put my drum of haben here, chicken mix. Then I will mix all the way. Time to check my seasoning. I want to add a little bit of salt. Not too much, because inside the soya sauce and chili paste it has already salt. I will not add too much. I mix all the wheels with my sauce. And my drumstick is ready. I will put little bit of spring onion. Here you are. My chicken wings is ready. So this is called drums of haben. Now I will put it in the plate and I will do simple presentation. We can use many things when we do plating, but I couldn't find banana leaf, so I use a little bit of cabbage. Just little bit of my vegetable here. And spring onion and sesame seed. This is my drums of haben and ready to serve. If you like my video and recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.